Sir Ricky, kay Miss Cecil, tsaka sa buong Unison family, thank you very much for staging this very super rocking and fabulous event. So sana may part 2 next year. Thank you!
Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa very special segment. So kakatapos lagi ng Thanksgiving, right? At itong year-end right ng Willier owners at saka Sipo owners. Etong segment na to, ang kasama natin yung original. Original, Papi Idol, pakita ang corona. Mga corona natin, pakita. Okay. Siyempre may special guest tayo. Si Miss Cecil nandito, okay? So, original ito, 20 seconds lang. Pero since nandito yung original, walang time limit ito. Again, ang magbibigay ng questions, si Papi din, Papi Luigi, at syempre merong special questions si Miss Cecil dito. Okay, ready? Papi TJ, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, Papi Teach, swim, bike, run.
Run.
Run. World peace o two-piece?
World peace.
Swift or pure foods?
Pure food.
Mervin Santiago or Ronald Molly?
Mervin.
Wow!
Sorry, Miss Ada. Sorry, Miss Ada, pero si Mervin talaga. PT bike or...
Go, ikaw!
Last question. Single or taken? Single.
Yun! Okay, so medyo mga 1 minute yun inabot. Pero maraming salamat, Papi TJ, for being such a good sport. At yan ang special edition natin ng Quick Talk with Papi TJ. Okay, bye-bye!